Picture this. You're lying in bed at 3 a.m., and your feet feel like they're actually on fire. You kick off the blankets, hoping for relief, but nothing works. Or maybe your case is different. Maybe it's your hands that feel like thousands of tiny needles are stabbing them nonstop. You told your doctor about it. They smiled, gently patted your arm, and said the two words that make your blood boil. It's just age. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? What if the real reason your nerves are breaking down has nothing to do with getting older and everything to do with something hiding right in front of you? Something so preventable, so easy to fix, that once you learn the truth, you'll be angry no one warned you. And here's the part that should truly scare you. The pills you take every morning to stay healthy might actually be destroying your nervous system. I've sat face to face with thousands of patients who walk into my clinic believing a lie. They believe their nerve pain is permanent. They accept it as their new normal. They're wrong. And I'm about to show you why. Inside your body right now, there are about 45 miles of nerves. 45 miles. That's enough wiring to stretch from New York to Philadelphia. These nerves allow you to feel everything. Your partner's touch, your grandchild's hug, the floor beneath your feet when you walk. Every single nerve is wrapped in a protective layer called myelin. Think of it like the plastic coating around electrical wires. When that coating begins to break down, everything goes terribly wrong. Signals get crossed. Pain sensors go wild. Your brain receives mixed-up messages and reads them as burning, stabbing, or electric shock-like pain. And once this process begins, it doesn't simply stop by itself. This condition has a name, peripheral neuropathy. Right now, more than 20 million Americans are living with it. That's 1 out of every 16 people. Someone in your family likely has it. Maybe it's you. But here's what makes me angry enough to make this video. Most people fighting this nightmare have no idea that a simple vitamin deficiency is slowly destroying their nerves. And the truly cruel part is this. The medications your doctor prescribed, the ones you trust, the ones you take every single day because you want to stay healthy, are draining this life-saving nutrient from your body day after day. Let me show you exactly how this trap works. You visit your doctor, your blood sugar is high, and they write you a prescription for metformin. It's the most commonly prescribed diabetes drug in the world. More than 150 million people take it. You trust your doctor, so you take it faithfully. But you also have heartburn. That's modern life, right? So you're also taking omeprazole, or another proton pump inhibitor. Totally normal. Millions of people do this every day. Here's the trap. No one explains it to you. Metformin blocks the absorption of vitamin B12 in your intestines. Studies show that between 10% and 30% of people on metformin develop a B12 deficiency. Some studies suggest the number is even higher. At the same time, your heartburn medication lowers the stomach acid you absolutely need to pull B12 out of your food. You've created a perfect storm. Your body is being attacked from two sides at once. But it gets even darker. If you're over 60, your stomach naturally produces less acid anyway. Aging has already weakened your defenses. Add a plant-based diet, which contains almost no B12 at all. And you're not just at risk. You're walking straight into a nutritional disaster with your eyes closed. Your body is begging for this vitamin. Every cell in your nervous system is desperate for it. But every part of modern life, the medications, the diet, the aging process, is blocking it. And here's the nightmare that keeps me awake at night. By the time you notice the symptoms, you may already have permanent damage. That tingling you keep ignoring isn't harmless. It's your body's emergency alarm. It's your nerves sending warning flares before they die. The numbness you feel today could be the early sign of permanent disability tomorrow. I've seen patients lose the ability to walk. I've watched people lose their independence and their dignity, all because they waited too long to fix something that was completely preventable. So what is this life-saving nutrient that could protect you? It's called vitamin B12, and its story is truly remarkable. Let me take you back to the 1920s. Doctors were terrified of a strange disease called pernicious anemia. Patients became ghostly pale, extremely weak, and developed severe nerve problems. It was always fatal without a single exception. Then 3 researchers discovered something incredible. They began feeding dying patients raw liver. It sounds awful, I know, but these people came back from the edge of death. They literally rose from their deathbeds. The medical world was shocked. Those three scientists won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1934, but they still didn't know why it worked. It took another 14 years before researchers finally isolated the magic substance hidden inside liver, a complex, bright red molecule with a cobalt atom at its center. They named it vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Another Nobel Prize was given just for understanding its structure. Think about that for a moment. One tiny molecule was so vital to human life that it earned 2 Nobel Prizes. But why? What makes B12 so incredibly important? It is the master electrician of your entire nervous system. It handles 2 major jobs that literally keep your nerves alive. First, B12 drives a process called methylation. During this process, it converts a harmful amino acid called homocysteine into a helpful one called methionine. When this system works properly, your body produces a compound called SAMe, which is essential for building and repairing myelin, the protective layer around your nerves. Without enough B12, homocysteine builds up to toxic levels. It's like poison flooding your nervous system, damaging nerves while also blocking any repair from happening. Second, B12 is absolutely essential for energy production inside every single nerve cell. Each cell contains tiny power stations called mitochondria. B12 is the fuel they need to operate. Without enough B12, especially its active form called adenosylcobalamin, these cellular power plants begin to shut down. When that happens, a toxic substance called methylmalonic acid starts to build up. This acid doesn't just interfere with energy production, it actively damages the myelin structure itself. Do you see what's happening here? A B12 deficiency doesn't attack your nerves in just one way. It launches a brutal, two-sided attack. It blocks repair of the protective coating while poisoning the nerve from the inside. At the same time, your nerves are being choked and poisoned together. That's why the symptoms are so intense. That's why people suffer such unbearable pain. And that's why early action isn't just important. It's absolutely essential. Wait too long, and the damage can become permanent. But here is where hope enters this dark picture. If you see yourself in what I'm describing, there is a clear road to recovery. But you must be smart about it. You must be informed, because even the testing system is set up to fail you. First, you need the right tests. Do not rely only on a basic B12 blood test. This is extremely important. Many labs say anything above 200 picograms per milliliter is normal. That number is dangerously low for real nerve health. I aim for levels above 450 to 500 picograms per milliliter. But even that is not enough by itself. You must ask for additional tests. Methylmalonic acid, known as MMA, and homocysteine levels. When these markers are high, it's a loud red warning that your cells are starving for B12. Even if your standard blood test looks fine, these functional tests show what is truly happening inside your cells, not just what's floating in your blood. This difference could save your nervous system. Next, you must choose the correct form of B12. Pay close attention here, because this is where most people get fooled. Walk into any pharmacy or health store, and you'll see cheap B12 supplements everywhere. Most of them contain cyanocobalamin. This is a synthetic form that actually contains a cyanide molecule. Yes, cyanide. Your body has to work very hard to remove that cyanide and convert it into a usable form. Many people, especially those with genetic differences, can't do this conversion well. They end up wasting money on supplements that barely help. What you really need is methylcobalamin. This is the active form your nervous system can use right away to repair damaged myelin. Even better is a supplement that combines methylcobalamin with adenosylcobalamin. This approach targets both major problems at once: myelin repair and energy production inside the nerve cells. Hydroxycobalamin is another excellent option that your body converts easily. Next comes delivery. And this part is critical. This is where many people unknowingly sabotage themselves. If you have absorption problems, and let's be honest, if you're over 60, taking medication, or dealing with digestive issues, you probably do, then swallowing pills is almost pointless. The B12 simply passes through without being absorbed. You need sublingual forms. These are tablets or liquid drops that dissolve under your tongue. They bypass your digestive system and go straight into your bloodstream through the tissues in your mouth. For severe deficiency or active neuropathy, intramuscular injections are the gold standard. They deliver 100% of the dose exactly where your body needs it. I've seen patients experience dramatic, life-changing improvements within weeks of studying injections. The results can be shocking. Now let's talk about dosing that actually works. Maintenance dosing is one thing. Fighting active nerve damage is something else entirely. For general maintenance, 1,000 micrograms per day is usually enough. But if you are actively dealing with neuropathy, if you have symptoms right now, you need therapeutic doses. That means anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily for at least 3 to 6 months. Research clearly shows that 1,000 micrograms taken daily leads to real improvements in people with diabetic neuropathy. Their pain goes down, nerve function improves, and their quality of life changes dramatically. Now we come to the supporting nutrients. B12 does not work alone. It needs the right partners to be fully effective. Vitamin B6, but only in its active form called P5P, works together with B12. Folate, specifically methylfolate, and not synthetic folic acid, is vital for proper methylation. Vitamin B1, especially a special fat-soluble form called benfotiamine, has shown powerful results in protecting nerves from damage caused by high blood sugar. This is especially important if you have diabetes. Magnesium acts like a natural stabilizer for your nervous system. It calms overactive nerves that are firing false pain signals. Then there is alpha-lipoic acid, known as ALA. This is a very powerful antioxidant. It is both water-soluble and fat-soluble, which means it can protect every part of your nerve cells, inside and out. Many clinical studies show that 600 milligrams of ALA taken daily greatly reduce pain, burning, and numbness in people with diabetic neuropathy. Now let's talk about food, because food is your foundation. Supplements fix deficiencies, but food supports long-term health. The richest sources of B12 come only from animal foods. Liver and organ meats contain the highest amounts by far. Shellfish, especially clams and mussels, are extremely rich sources. Fatty fish like wild-caught salmon and sardines, grass-fed beef, pasture, raised eggs, and quality dairy products all provide meaningful B12. If you follow a plant-based diet, supplementation is not optional. It is absolutely necessary for survival. And please do not believe the dangerous myth that spirulina or chlorella provide usable B12. They contain B12-like compounds that do not work in the human body and can even interfere with real B12 absorption and testing. Here is what you must understand. Nerve damage is often completely permanent once it passes a certain point. The time to act is not next month. It's not when symptoms get worse. It's right now, today, before you permanently lose feeling in your feet or fall and break a hip because your balance is gone. That burning sensation you feel is not just annoying. It is your body's emergency alarm screaming at full volume that something is seriously wrong. B12 deficiency is a silent epidemic spreading everywhere. But unlike cancer, unlike heart disease, and unlike many other conditions, this one is preventable, detectable, and fully treatable. Your nervous system has an incredible ability to heal when it is given the right support. I have personally seen patients who could barely walk across a room regain full movement. I have watched people who hadn't slept through the night for years finally find relief from constant burning pain, and every single one of them shared one thing. They took action before they crossed the point of no return. If this information has opened your eyes, I need you to do 3 very important things right now.